What is up, guys? So it's finally come in. We've been waiting for a little while now, and I finally received it. Just got home from work, and I finally received the X MAXX. X MAXX. Alright, let's crack it open. You guys are going to have to forgive me for the light level. I know that I haven't received any professional lighting in yet, so once I get some better lights, we'll be in a little bit better position for the videos. Hopefully that helps a little bit. This literally just came in, and I literally just got home. So I've got my batteries on charge because the traditional X MAXX, there are packages that you can purchase with the batteries included. I did not, because I already have a charger and I already have batteries. You know, I've had the traxxas Slash for like 8 years now, so I didn't need any of that. Look how big this box is. All right, we have to put it on the ground and pull it out. Trying not to jar it around too much. It suctions if you're not pull too hard. All right, put that over there. Check that out. That box is incredible looking. So that's the Slash, just compared to the box. This thing looks awesome, guys. I can't wait to get into it. So unfortunately, I didn't get home until after dark. So I'm not going to be able to do any test runs today. I want to do a test run with it when it's daylight out, so that we can get a good view of the truck while it's running. Alright guys, I'm going to put us on the ground here, so we can take a peek at this. You get a good view of that. Look at that baby. Check it out. Check it out. Oh, that looks so cool. See if we can't slide this puppy out. It looks like we're looking at the back end. Got a nice view of its butt. Oh man, this thing is massive. Look at this puppy. Oh, sorry about that. We'll edit that part out. Looks like we have the transmitter. Oh, this thing looks beautiful, guys. Look at that. Yeah. So the transmitter is very nicely packed. Beautiful. Yep. TQI. I'm probably going to save this transmitter, guys, because I have the TQI transmitter with my other RC cars. So I will probably just program one of my other transmitters to this car, because I doubt I'm going to be running multiple of them at the same time, just to make it a little bit easier so I only have to take 1 or 2 transmitters out in the field. So it looks like we've got some extra bits here, some extra parts. Let's crack this open and take a peek at what we got here. So of course the most important part, decals. Definitely going to use some of those. Warranty information. Or actually I think that's a registration. So it looks like maybe for the batteries. Looks like we've got some tools. I'll have to figure out exactly what these are. These look like some kind of a cover or something. So I'm not quite sure exactly what those are yet. It's got a pad. Might be a battery spacer, possibly. And we've got an extra gear. And some rubber pieces and some more spacers. Most likely those are for batteries. And we have our instruction manuals. So I believe this is going to have all of our parts information, so we can go through. If we break anything, we can reference it, go to Traxxas, go online, and reference all the part numbers and figure out what we want to replace on it. That's definitely always a fantastic thing to have. And of course, model 77086-4. So this is a version 2. This is the 8S model. Sweet. And of course they're advertising. We don't need that because we've got our own. Alright. There she is. Look at that beauty. So, I believe this twists, lifts, and comes off. So they're latch system. This twists, that lifts, and then it comes off and back. Beautiful body. That red body is just absolutely gorgeous. I think I'm gonna have to get another body for this truck just to keep this one in pristine condition, because these bodies can get very expensive. So I think this one is probably gonna have to be for the shelf. That is beautiful. All right. Let's go ahead and remove. No, where did we put our knives, guys? Uh-oh. I can't find my knife. I know it's around here somewhere. I found it. Alright, I want to be nice and careful with this. Man, these zip ties are big. I may get the scissors out for this. Got it. I'm having so much fun, I'm already sweating. Yeah, I'm gonna grab the scissors. Yeah, definitely time to sharpen those scissors, or sharpen that knife. These zip ties are really massive. All right. So let's get these zip ties out of here. Guys, look at that beast. All right, let's go back up. Look at that monster. Alright, so let's put the body back on. Look at that. Gosh, look at that. Absolutely huge. Fills up my whole workbench. For this one, you can hold in the palm of your hand. Look at that. It's heavy too. Beautiful. A little size comparison. Let's take a peek under here. Put it up on the wheelie bar. And look at the size of those shocks. Look at that. Massive. Absolutely massive. I mean, those things are just huge. Yeah, look at that paint. That paint is absolutely gorgeous. Very similar to the paint job that they put on their Rustler body. It's got that metallic in it. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. Just absolutely beautiful. I'll put the, let's grab the whole team over here. Look at that. And of course we have the Harley. Traxxas Slash. X MAXX. And Rustler. Guys, these machines are so much fun. If you're able to invest the money in getting into RC cars, I absolutely and highly recommend it, as it's so much fun. You know, being able to work on these things, take things out, bash them, have a blast, work on them. Like my Slash, I'm going to be taking the rear differential apart and putting some heavier grease in it, some silicone grease, just to tighten it up a little bit. The rear differential feels a little bit sloppy. And we are definitely going to be buying some upgrades for this bad boy. That thing is awesome. Let's see how it looks on a drop. Look at that suspension. That's sweet. Beautiful. Guys, I think it's a monster. Look at that wheel clearance. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh man. So cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video today. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe. Stay in touch. Guys, leave a comment down below what RC cars you guys really enjoy. Soon I'm going to be taking out the little helicopter we did a review on. I did a couple test flights in the garage and in the room. Flies fantastic. So I just need to get it on camera and get it out to you guys so you can take a look at it. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.